Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my micro clip microphone. Is it micro or micro? Check it out. Just a minute guys. Okay, so this is what's in the bag. It's my little microphone. Take it out. This is what it looks like. Where's the clip? Where's the clip to clip it on? Can they show you the clip? Oh, it's in the bag. I knew that. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate how I put it onto me. And then I'm going to use it. Okay, so I'm testing the microphone now. And I'm going to do a playback to see what it sounds like. Let me just do like an introductory statement. Like, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be reviewing this microphone, which is made by Remax. It's a clip-on microphone, Remax Live, for live broadcasts or for pre-recorded broadcasts. I'm merely testing my microphone to see if it can be heard over this. Showing you these wonderful bowls, and it's $24.41. So we have these that look very much like those Starbucks cups. $41.15. So this is my microphone. I still have it after 6 months or more. And it works really well. As you saw in the store, it was able to amplify my voice even though there was music playing loudly. Let me show you the difference between not using the microphone and the microphone. Alright, so I'm using my microphone, and what I found is that it easily picks up songs, like if you have something close by or something might be touching the microphone itself. So that's one downside of having a microphone. However, in a setting like when I was in the store, it's much better for your audience because they can hear you clearly even though there may be a crowd or there may be music playing. So what do you think? Do you think as a content creator it's important to have a microphone? Let me know in the comments below. Bye and thanks so much for watching.